Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to use split command. So you can create for the new part. I will use in millimeter. Create start to diskette and choose the top plane. So I will draw rectangle as the example object. Click finish. Now you can use the extrude tools to extrude the object. Now, if you want to use this split command, we need to create for the split object. So we'll use the plane here. Okay, we'll select in the top face and use the offset from plane. Okay, you can move to the bottom bit and click OK to apply. After that, you can click the split command. And then for the select tools, you can select the plane. The next for the face, I will change to the body. Now you can see the body will be selected and we use the keep side. You can click OK to split. Okay, and for example, I will use the move body. I will select this body and click apply. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to use split command.